Good morning, everyone. This is Dan with Senior Ministry E-Bike Nation. Gonna do about a 20-miler today, so had to fix a flat tire first thing before I even got on my bike today. Picked up something, it was fairly small, but it is enough to flatten the front tire. And I have not had the bike out. I'm riding a Zota. So I took the front tire off the bike. It was pretty much flat, so I didn't have to release any air. And then I also took the valve stem out, and then I put flat out in it. It's kind of like slime, but it's a different product, and it definitely sealed the hole because I put it up to pressure to 20 pounds and it's doing well. So that was my start this morning, but everything went well. I will do a video next time. I'm going to take the air out of the back tire of the Zota, and we're going to put slime in there as well, or flat out, I call it. It's got Kevlar particles in there, which guarantees flats, believe it or not. So anyway, we'll be doing a video on that here shortly, on go ahead and put flat out in the back tire as well. But anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can enjoy the ride. We're going to head up to the blessing box as normal, drop a couple things off, and then we'll go ahead and head up to the bridge and turn around and come back. So anyway, share, like the video, and subscribe, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see the trail. A little chilly today. It's probably only 50 degrees out here, maybe 45. It's supposed to be in the upper 50s and low 60s the rest of the week. So we got about 7 days of cooler weather, which this is very normal for Southwest Ohio for this time of year. Hope to get my plants here in about another week to 10 days. I ordered a bunch of grow bags from Amazon. I got 7-gallon grow bags. I ordered 24 of those. That's supposed to be in tomorrow. And that's what I'm going to use on all my tomato plants, or most of them. Then I'll put the rest of them in the ground. So I'm going to be very busy here doing gardening once this ramps up a little bit. We get warmer weather, so I can transplant all my tomato plants and my pepper plants that I have in the garage. They're about to outgrow my solo cups, but they've done extremely well, so I'm happy with that. I did carry an extra sweatshirt with me today. It looks like I may need it. They're calling for a little bit of rain this afternoon. I'm not sure when it's supposed to start, but I did bring my rain jacket just in case. But we've had some cooler weather here. It's getting down into the low 30s at nighttime, so I did put a couple flowers, some impatiens in some pots on my porch, but I had to cover those last couple nights because didn't want them to freeze after I babied them all spring from seeds. So I did do that. Yeah, this is the first flat I've had on the Zota. I've had a couple on the Side Rusher, which the bike is still not back from the shop. The guy told me at the bike shop that they've had a couple people call off sick the end of last week, and it's putting them behind on getting bikes repaired. So I'm not sure I'll be going back to this bike shop. I was there to do a video which had agreed to by the owner, so I showed up there on a Thursday to do a video of repairs that they do on bikes, and the guy stood me up. So That was strike one, and now strike two is this repair. It's been in there almost 3 weeks tomorrow. And they said I'd have it back in about 2 to 2.5 weeks. And this company's been in business since 1973, so they've been around a while. They've been around 50 years, so. And there's several bike shops in the area, so I don't have to just go to these couple I've been going. And I'll try to do the repairs myself before I ever take to the bike shop anyway. Caleb's going to load some interesting videos on some lowrider bikes that he has, old style bikes. And he's going to upload a couple videos, including a couple shorts, what he's doing. I told him to go ahead. So you may be seeing them on the channel shortly. He has not been riding with me for like 3 weeks now. He's finally, I think, starting to get caught up on his schoolwork. So we haven't been riding together too much. Yeah, tell me what kind of weekend you guys have had. Picked up a few new subscribers, and I want to thank you folks that subscribe to my channel. You guys are why I do these videos. That's why this channel exists. I noticed on this trail up here, I thought was closed on April 19th. They put up some other signs, and they're not going to close it till May the 1st. So I see a sign up here they got covered, which means they're getting ready to do something up here. But it's supposed to be closed for over 9 months. Doing some bridge repair work over the trail and things of that nature. We'll be turning up here. I don't think they've got the trail closed yet. Nope, still got 5/1/23, so a little less than a week they'll have it closed off. Yeah, I'll probably stop the video up to Blessing Box after we put a couple things in there, and I'll start the video back over again and do another segment. I don't expect a lot of people on the trail today. It's pretty chilly out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this other trail that they just put in up here, coming up to the bike path, is to replace the one I'm on now, so people can still get on the bike trail. So I think they had that all planned out when they decided to, this bridge right here is the one they're getting ready to rebuild. It's about time, because it's one of the roughest bridges I've ever seen. Every time they paved it, they just got back to exactly like it was. Very rough. Yeah, we had some beautiful 70s here, not last week, but the week before, and they got really nice. But it cooled down, and this is normal for April. Up here on the left is that bike trail I was telling you about. That's a trail they're getting ready to put in. So they've got it done, and I think they have it open for people to get on. Again, I'm not doing any more picture-in-picture or split-screen videos anymore. We'll use the other camera once I have Caleb with me. But I'm not getting a lot of positive response on that. Yeah, so far the flat out's holding up pretty good. The front tires not having any problems. So again, I'll be doing a video on the back tire. I'll go ahead and let the air out of it and take the valve stem out, and we'll go ahead and put flat out in the rear tire as well. That seals anything that's in there, and guys on the internet said they love it. Some like slime, some likes flat out. I could have put some Tannis tires in this bike like I did my side rusher, but that was almost $120 for 2 liners. But of course I've not had a flat on it either. Yeah, I'd like to get my side rusher back out. Been a couple weeks since, almost 3 weeks since I've rode it now. Actually over 3 weeks since they've had the bike for 3 weeks tomorrow. Hard to say what the blessing box is going to look like today. I haven't been up here in the last 4 or 5 days. My last day I got out was Friday. I only did Tuesday, Friday last week, but that's kind of what I want to do, is just a couple videos a week. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my sweatshirt on when I get up here. I've only got one sweatshirt, my bike shirt, over my thermals, and so it's getting a little chilly. All right, here we go. Yeah, it looks like there's quite a bit of stuff in there today, so let me hop off the bike here. Take this off the clamp here. Again, this is the little free pantry. Take what you need, donate what you can. Feed the creek. And yeah, somebody put some diapers up in there. That's pretty cool. That's well needed. And today we're going to put our normal Roman noodles in. And then I'm going to also put in some dental floss, actually. Kind of stuff that's needed throughout the things that people need as far as toiletries and things like that. So anyway, it's got quite a bit of stuff in here today. Not full, but not bad. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and shut this up, and we'll head back down the trail, and then I'm going to get my sweatshirt on as well. It's getting just a little chilly here, so let me put this back on the handlebar, and I'll put my sweatshirt on, and we'll head back down the trail. But first of all, as I mentioned, I'm going to stop this video here. It's almost 17 minutes long, so we're going to pick it right back up. But share and like the video, and certainly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video, part 2.